What did you say?
I'm hungry.
Okay, I'll get you some food. Come on, Zoe. Here's some food.
Turn on heater.
Oh, you want the heater on? I know, it's cold. We just came back from a walk. Okay, let's turn it on. Zoe, how many buttons do we have now? We have these buttons here. What are these ones saying?
Pee-pee.
What about that one?
Poo-poo.
Okay, well, let's see what else we have. Okay, come on. Show me these ones. Wow. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you have the other two. So 10 buttons. Zoe, show me what all these buttons are. What's this one?
I'm tired. Night-night.
No, you're not tired. What about this one?
I'm hungry.
And what about this one? This one.
Massage.
What about this one?
Treat.
That one's treat. And that one?
Hug, hug.
Hug, hug. Next.
Let's go for a walk.
Not right now. It's raining. What about this one?
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
And this one? Ow! What about this one?
Turn on heater.
Turn on heater. The heater's on. Use the buttons. What? Zoe, hey. Which one is it? What?
Let's go for a walk.
It was too dark, Zoe. We went to the park all day. Are you serious? It's so dark. Oh, Zoe. What about this one? You don't want that one?
Let's go for a walk.
Are you serious?